everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing pumpkin muffins. They're so delicious and festive for fall. I know you'll love them. So let's get started. In my bowl I have 1 cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of melted butter, and I'm going to give that a whisk together. I have 1 cup of pumpkin puree, and pumpkin does stain, y'all. Like, I got a little bit on my tablecloth, so just be careful. I got 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk, and I'm going to give that a whisk together. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, a half a tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Then I have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to give this a mix together until I don't see any more flour. I'm going to fill my cupcake liners all the way up to the top with my batter, and I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake these for 25 minutes. Once I've got them filled, I'm just going to give my pan a tap on the table. Look at how amazing these turned out. They're so soft and fluffy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and check out my fall playlist. I've got a ton of amazing fall recipes over there on my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.